Okay, today is September 23rd, about 6:15 at night. I'm just out checking on the bees, and I can't tell, but it looks like they're being raided. So I went ahead and plugged one of the holes for the bees. But focus in here. Come on. They just seem to be a lot of bees trying to get in to the hive, and I don't quite know where the hole is, and there seems to be some that are attacking others, so I think they're trying to be raided by another hive. So I've gone and plugged up one of the holes to help limit their access. It seems like there's a pretty steady flow of bees in and out that know right where to go. And it looks like the raiders are having a little bit of trouble finding the opening, because there's not really a landing board for them. This is the same as on the other side of the hive. So I don't think I'm going to open up the hive tonight. Just don't think it would be a good idea.